So you're trying to do the keto and it's just not working for you. You're not sure what you can have to eat. You're not sure what to avoid. You're not sure what you can eat. Hey, my name's Kristen. I know exactly how you feel, and I was there at one time. I have created a Facebook group where I am doing keto challenges to help people learn and how to get started on their keto journey. Maybe you're already doing the keto and you've come to a standstill and you can't figure out why you can't lose any more weight. I'm here to help you with that as well. So if you're someone that wants to do the keto and you want to learn and be with a group of people that will support you, uplift you, and cheer you on with your journey, all you need to do is put your name and your email address below, above, or beside this video. You will be sent an email with the link to join the group. But here's the deal. Make sure you answer all 3 questions and you will be approved. If you don't answer all 3 questions, you will not be approved. Your request will be taken down within 24 hours. So be sure to answer all 3 questions and you will be approved into the group. And be sure to say that Kristen invited you to the group. I'll see you in the group, and I can't wait to have you in my next keto challenge.